Good day. My name is Satvik. I'm representing Singapore Industrial Automation Association. Today we are discussing on modernizing edge computing. I'm joined by esteemed panel members here today. Mr. Xavier Go, Regional Director of Stratus Technologies. Mr. Francis Law, Business Development Manager at Nismix Machinery. And Mr. Adrian Tan, Senior Solution Consultant at Host Private Limited. The first question of the day is to Xavier. So it's about as we are discussing about modernizing edge computing. Recently, we are seeing that many multinational companies are adopting edge computing technologies at their plant operations and shop floor. Being one of the leaders in this delivering these edge solutions, what is your view on this transformation that is happening in this space?
So definitely yes, we see more and more MNCs adopting edge computing, right? So as long as IoT continues to exist and evolves, I think edge computing will really remain at the center of this whole transformation, right? So the benefit of IoT, it really is about capturing and analyzing the real-time data in large volumes, and at the same time, you have to communicate, right, this essential information upwards, right, so that the business owners can make faster and more accurate decisions. Right? So with more and more of such real-time data and critical information coming into play, the need for low latency, simple, autonomous, protected systems, right, is really imperative, very important, right, to ensure minimal to no downtime, right. This is where Stratus solutions platforms are really known for, right. We proactively keep business critical applications running 24/7, right. Also proactively preventing instances of unplanned downtime and addressing any issues even before customers realize it.
Thank you, Xavier. Good points. Switching a gear a little bit, maybe my question to Francis. I understand that the Star Union have deployed many control systems, or Nismix, your company has deployed many of these edge systems throughout the years. Based on your experience, are your clients are also talking about modernizing edge and edge computing these days?
Okay, by and large, most may not understand the difference between edge computing and with digital transformation, especially when both processes are viewed as a collection of data. But these days, digitalization has become a must-have capability for businesses. With the current pandemic and the subsequent practice of work from home, it helped to accelerate the adoption of this digitalization. And digital transformation is now not so much a choice of but something that we have to invest to stay competitive and to survive, you see. Global trends have affected all businesses, and especially for SMEs. Now, with the creation of more awareness, I'm certain the term edge computing will be soon a part of our common vocabulary, just like digital transformation.
Over to you, Adrian. Host being the distributor of multiple products, control system, Rockwell Automation and Stratus, you must have proposed many edge computing solutions as part of your engagement with the customers along the way. Are you getting more and more inquiries about edge computing in these days?
Yes, it is. I think especially during this period whereby there's pandemic, okay, our customers are actually looking into digital transformation, and also the needs for increased efficiency, okay, is very important. Okay, they recognize that edge computings are as one way to achieve where data are closer to the plant floor. Okay, and decision can be made faster depending on the customer's requirement. Okay, we tailor this solution, okay, to their needs and recommend to them for reviews and for their decision.
Okay, thank you. So maybe a question to discuss among all of us. In view of influence through IoT and Industry 4.0, now people are talking about already Industry 5.0. Do you think edge computing will be further modernized and improved in order to optimize the processes in next coming few years? Name few features that I think it will it will be added on to the edge computing?
Yeah, so I think definitely that will happen. Any technologies any technologies available today really resulted from modernization of past technologies, right? So I strongly believe that edge compute will further modernize. It really greatly depends on the limitations of the edge environment. Right? For example, years ago, nobody would have equipment with server capability, maybe deployed in the desert where it's scorching hot, or anywhere below freezing point, maybe in the Arctics, right? But right now, many Strata ZTC Edge is now really deployed in those deserted places where our products are really made to handle to survive the harsh environment. For example, negative 20 degrees Celsius, sometimes even up to 60 degrees Celsius, right? So at the same time, you cannot really you cannot expect any IT folks to be in such environments, right? Because they are away in HQ, right? So we make our products simple, right? Very simple to set up. It's also autonomous. Lastly, yeah, most importantly, it's also protected.
Okay, in my opinion, in the foreseeable future, we think edge computers will become smaller and more lightweight devices. It can be faster and more secure. But it is also come with bigger computing power while staying more energy efficient. But having said that, I think it does not mean being fast means that it will be good. The most important thing is that edge computers must be able to achieve its intended objective, which is to promote productivity and to improve decision making. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. On my side, I think in view of the rapid changes in technologies, right, I must say that it certainly will evolve. This technology will evolve further. Okay, just like how our mobile phones evolve. Nowadays it's all like smartphones. Okay, imagine all the devices such as PLC. Okay, network servers will be plug and play. Okay, all in a single control panel. Okay, it can be deployed to any plant anywhere. I think it will be a wish list that I will adopt, okay, to my customer to recommend to them in the future.
Thanks. Thanks, Xavier, Francis, and Adrian. I think a very insightful session in terms of understanding where the edge computing is heading and what your clients are looking at. Thanks for joining, and thanks to our audience who are listening to this panel discussion. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you.